This has been a hell of a journey getting this thing back. But it's here. Alright. So right now, I have a day off from work. So I'm going to get the front end pulled today. Barring any very serious complications. Because I have, 16, 18 hours to work on this thing. I'm taking the time now. So the first time I pulled apart this boy, I just ripped it apart. I mean, I knew I wanted to get it done, and I knew that I was going to be doing this whole thing a second time. So I figured I can, afford to just go fast. I'll label everything the second time. And what I'm going to be doing today, so every time I pull a plug from this car, I'm going to then go to my other car, label the plug on the harness, if I can find it, and label the part on my car if I need to. I don't know how much of this I'm going to be able to film. I only have my phone. I want to get a full setup, but don't have the money. This is a little more important than that right now. And on top of that, I don't know how successful or viable putting any of this on YouTube is. I'm probably not going to make any money from it. I'll film things that I think are going to be important. But more than that, I really want to film the fact that this is just really easy. It's way easier than people would think to pull an engine. It's the confidence and the money that you have to get over. Is the fact that you're dealing. So this car is a 2011. My other car is a 2013, and I did a brief amount of research trying to figure out what the differences were. And as far as I could tell, they were mostly packaging and interior. I'm gonna, go back to pulling front end.
Don't know if that's true or not, but they said they don't. I don't know if she just didn't know what I was talking about. So I'm gonna put them in the know as well.
Well, I mean, this is my spare, so I'll just cut the line. I don't give a shit, honestly. This is not gonna turn out well. I'm telling you that. I'm just gonna try yanking it, right? So,
Ain't no love like a real love, but it goes so fast. All tied up like a captive. I'm on to you. Used to pay to my love life, standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I've no more patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a bit longer. You're making me stronger, making me stronger. You're stronger. You're stronger.
So, I'm almost done pulling, honestly, most of the harness. Right now I'm working on this harness, which is the coil packs. And then you see this one cord come off here. This one feeds all the way down here. And then you can't see them from up top. You need to get both of these from below. I'll see if I can show you them. Alright, so there's a very tight space, but one of these is connected to what I believe this one's connected to this is connected right here. That thing with the light on it. So that's going to be the wastegate, I believe. Now, the other one is connected way up here. That one in the back. And so you got one over here. So you can point it. So you got this one. And then you got one way back here. Sorry, I'm using one hand to record, one hand to point, and my neck to direct. This one sets these two cables. 1, 2. So you got your wastegate, and I believe this might be controlling probably a sensor for the charge pipe, maybe. I'm not sure quite what it is, but those are the only two on this little cable. So once you get those disconnected, you can pull it up. Hey, alright, so I am nearly done with the engine. Almost all of it that is left. Left side is good. Right side is good. Nothing to connect on the front. So all that's left now, we got the axles right back here. We'll have this shifter cable. I don't know how I'm gonna get that out. This bracket is sideways. I might be able to get that out after I get the downpipe off. But that's the other thing, is I still have to get the downpipe off. This pipe right here, this top one, that thing is a pain in the ass. I might try and pull it first, the engine first, and then get that. But other than that, should just be a couple of wires and tubes left. I'm done for the night. I've been working, what is it? Let's see. 9 hours? The problem here is I don't want to leave on the crane. It's just not gonna be good for the crane, and I already had this. I had one jack fail on me 2 days after I got it, and I don't want to do that again. So, I'm going to wait until I'm swapping the engine to pull it. At least for the most part. And to do that, I need to get this car out of here, and the other car has to come in. And there's a slight slope to my driveway. So, plus the other car is parked right behind this door, which is the door I'm gonna have to pull this one out of. So, the other car is right back there. So I'm gonna have to have someone help me navigate this all out. Anyways, yeah, that's the end of that day. Thanks.